Yo, what's up? We're now sitting in an MGS6, and in this video we'll test the headlights. So this car doesn't have any matrix headlights as far as I know. Oh damn, shit, that was a bright LED. Yeah. But it's just on and off. Well, let's see what it looks like. Get in the dark side, and then boom. Okay. It seems to have that more center. Yeah. It actually shines fairly bright towards the center, and also kind of high, but not nearly as good as many of the German cars. So, well, actually, whoa, that's interesting. The high beam also seems to light up the road, like the lower part right in front of us, which is not really needed. We just need more up. Yeah, and then the light has been set to 0 position like always, since we have an empty car. So it's correctly adjusted. Just that, well, this is how it is. So in some of these sharp-ish curves, you see that we are kind of in the blind on the left side now. Yeah, because the spread is not that good. It seems to be more optimized towards motorways, not so twisty roads. Over there, it would be fine. Probably like in the 1,000 kilometer challenge, I might not notice any weakness here, but in these kind of situations, then yeah, you see here now on the right side we are a bit in the dark. Could be an animal there that we don't see. So yeah, nice clear sky today, -4 degrees Celsius. Actually, by the end of March. Still kind of cold, but good vision, no fog or anything. Yeah, it tends to fog around Home. Okay, now I'm gonna try the farm inspection soon. Just go my regular route here. You see here again, when we take the sharp curves, we are a bit in the dark. Kind of want more light in the direction we are turning into. Like here, yeah, the same soon, right side, kinda, but these curves are not that sharp. Okay, here we're at the farm. We're gonna stop here, quick stop, just to get an impression of the light distribution. Yeah, I mean, it lights up the farm, but that's pretty much it. So somewhat common, I mean, or how they put this, many Asian cars, they tend to be like this. But there are some Asian cars that get better and better headlights, closer to the German cars. But I still consider the German to be the best. So yeah, and this is not some subjective thing. You can just look at the videos in the past when I make this test. You will see that yeah, the German cars, they have better spread, stronger light in general, and also many of them, they might even have some kind of turning. Yeah, well, also Polestar 2, yeah, which is not German. That's actually Asian. But yeah, I mean, what should I say about these headlights then? I mean, they're not the worst I've seen. Okay, some of the worst, they not only do they have just the center weight, but they're also kind of weak. Here, at least you can feel, okay, the high beam is on. Yeah. Actually, when I think about this, that auxiliary beam I've seen on Volkswagen ID7 and also something similar. I think it was actually laser light in the BMW iX3. This was before the Neue Klasse. I don't know what the heck BMW is doing, but at least now I'm gonna supposedly be able to borrow it in April, Neue Klasse. But okay, they also have some kind of light that shines on the ground, from what I remember. So maybe it's a good thing. Yeah, I normally don't see that thing that shines on the ground there on Asian cars. So if I would give it points, maybe a 6 out of 10. Anyway, that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.